Hello, good morning. This is Whitewood Hotel. How may I help you?
Hi, I would like to reserve a room for two, please.
Before we proceed to the reservation process, may I know who is on the line?
It's Azimia Bueno.
Could you spell your first name for me, please?
Sure, it's IZZY.
Thank you for that information, Miss Icy. May I know when would you like to make your reservation?
I'd like to schedule the reservation on January 21 to January 23. Do you have any vacancies?
Yes, we have several rooms available on this particular days. May I know what type of room you would like to stay? We have a standard room for 2,000 and a suite room for 4,800.
Does the suite room include breakfast?
Yes, it includes a continental buffet every morning and the use of the hotel facilities.
Okay, I will take that room.
Thank you, ma'am. How would you like to settle the bill, ma'am? Through cash or credit card?
Can I pay it through cash when I get here?
That's alright, ma'am. Your bill will be paid through cash.
Okay, thank you.
Alright, ma'am. I will repeat all the information I got from you. A reservation for a suite room that is good for two people under the name IC. Your check-in date is on January 21 and your check-out date will be on January 23. Your bills will be settled through cash. Is everything correct, ma'am?
Yes, everything is correct.
We would also like to inform you about our 6 o'clock policy. Please be advised that you have to check in not later than 6 p.m. Otherwise, the hotel have the right to give the room to the waitlisted client.
Okay, noted. Thank you for informing me.
I am glad that I could help you today. Is there anything else you need to at this point?
Nothing else. Thank you.
It's my pleasure. We'll see you on January 21. Have a nice day.
Good morning, ma'am. Welcome to Whitewood Hotel. May I assist you with your luggage?
Good morning. Yes, please. That would be great.
Let me take care of that for you. Are you checking in with us today?
Yes, we have a reservation under the name IC.
I'll guide you to our front desk hotel so they can assist you with your check-in today. This way, ma'am. How was your journey, ma'am? I hope it wasn't too tiring.
It was fine, thank you. Just a little bit long.
Here we are, ma'am. Our front desk team will assist you from here. Have a pleasant stay at Whitewoods Hotel.
Thank you so much.
Good morning, welcome to Whitewoods Hotel. May I have your IDs and reservation details, please?
Good morning. I booked a room under the name Azimia Bueno.
Thank you, Miss ID. Can you hold on for a moment?
Wow, this hotel is so beautiful. I can't wait to check out our room and enjoy the view.
I'm sure you're going to love it. I already found your reservation for a suite room, good for two people.
It includes a continental breakfast every morning and the use of the hotel facilities, right?
That's right, ma'am. You will also find a menu in your room and a list of additional service.
Oh, that's great.
Well, are you ready to go to your room now? Please wait a moment. I will call a vendor for you. Vendor, please. Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, this is our vendor, Nicole. She will assist you with your luggage. Nicole, please assist Miss Angie and Miss Dimple to their room. Number 106, here's the guest details.
Finally, we can relax.
If you need anything else during your stay, please dial 0 from your room phone, and we will be happy to assist you.
Miss Icy and Miss Dimple, your room number is 106 and it's located on the first floor. This way, ma'am. Miss Icy and Miss Dimple, here's the light switch and here's the sink. Here's your mini fridge and bottled water, coffee set, and cabinet. This is also your bed, your double bed. And here's the telephone. Just dial 0 if you need anything else. Here's the balcony and TV, the remote of the TV. And what else? Here's the bathroom. Here's the mini sink. Miss Icy and Miss Dimple, would you like me to assist you with unpacking your luggages?
No, we're fine.
Before I leave, if you need any additional assistance, just dial 0 and we'll be happy to help.
Thank you so much, Nicole. You've been wonderful.
It's my pleasure. Enjoy your stay. Housekeeping!
May I come in? Yes, of course, come.
Good afternoon, ma'am. I'll be cleaning your room. I'll make sure to work quietly so I don't disturb you. Thank you. We appreciate it.
Just letting in some fresh air, ma'am, to keep the room feeling cozy and comfortable.
That's a great idea. It does feel pressure already.
I'll check everything to make sure your stay is as comfortable and possible. Please don't hesitate to let me know if there's anything you'd like to focus on.
Thank you. Actually, can you check the bathroom? I think the trash bin might be full.
Of course, ma'am. I'll take care for that. All done, ma'am. The room is fresh, clean, and ready to relax. Is there anything else I can assist you?
No, all done. Thank you for doing such a great job.
Thank you, ma'am. If there's anything else you need, just give us a call.
Will do. Have a great day.
You too, ma'am. Have a great day.
Good afternoon, ma'am. How may I assist you today?
Good afternoon. We're looking for the restaurant. Can you help us?
Of course, ma'am. Our restaurant is located on the ground floor. Just a short walk from here. I have one of our staff to escort you to ensure you get there comfortably. Would you kindly assist our guests and escort them to the restaurant?
Absolutely. Good afternoon, ma'am. I'll guide you to the restaurant.
Thank you so much. We appreciate it.
Good afternoon, ma'am. Welcome to Ed's Coffee. Good afternoon. Thank you. Follow me. I'll take you to your table. Here, ma'am. May I started with you some water or any beverages?
Yes, a water will be good.
Here's our menu, ma'am. Would you like to give a few moments to decide, or are you ready to order now?
We'll take a quick look. Excuse me. We'd like to have one spaghetti and one French fries for the two of us.
Excellent choices, ma'am. Would you like anything else?
No, that will be all for you.
Perfect. I'll get your order to the kitchen. It should be ready for 15 minutes. Please enjoy your time.
Thank you so much.
Here's your order, ma'am. Excuse me, ma'am.
Thank you.
Excuse me, ma'am. How's the food so far?
Everything is delicious. Thank you for asking.
I'm glad to hear that. If you need anything else, just let me know.
Will do. Thank you.
Thank you.
Good day, ma'am. How may I assist you today?
Hi, we would like to check out.
May I have your name and room number, please?
It's room 106 under the name IC.
Do you have any last-minute consumption about the hotel facilities?
We didn't consume anything today.
Alright, thank you. Please give me a moment. I'll check it first. Here is your guest bill and this is the total amount. Please check all the details and if everything's correct, please sign right here.
All the bills are good.
Would you like to pay in cash or card?
We will pay in cash. Here's our payment.
Thank you. Please allow me to count it. I have received your payment. And here is your receipt.
Oh, okay, thank you.
Thank you so much for choosing White Woods Hotel. I hope you visit again and stay with us. Please double check all your belongings to ensure that nothing is left behind. I will now call the bell girl to assist you with your luggage. Ma'am, this is our bell girl and she will be the one to assist you with your luggage. Thank you for staying with our hotel.
Ma'am, are you now ready to go to your transportation?
Yes, let's go, please. You can leave us here. We'll just wait for our transportation.
Alright, ma'am. Is there anything else I can do for you?
No, thank you for helping us.
You're welcome, ma'am. We hope you enjoy your stay with us. Thank you for staying at White Woods Hotel. We hope to see you again. Have a great day.